Why do 70% of tech enthusiasts worry about malware when downloading free software? Spoiler: it's easier to stay safe than you think. Downloading free software can be a minefield, but I've got you covered. First, always choose reliable sources like official websites, GitHub, or the Microsoft Store. Check for HTTPS encryption and user reviews to avoid dodgy downloads. Found a trusted source? Next, look for antivirus certifications or awards to seal the deal. Watch out for sneaky bundled extras like toolbars or adware during installation. Decline those. A handy tip: use a software download manager like Ninite or FileHippo. These tools can automate installations and keep your software safe and up to date. By following these steps, you'll enjoy awesome free software without compromising your online security. Stay savvy and always prioritize safety. Thanks for watching. Drop your favorite software or any download nightmares in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more tech tips.